Okay, here's I'm demonstrating my break I made. Maybe we'll see. I've scribed my line there. I can't see it though. Where is it? There it is. And because I'm making an anvil, making an oak anvil for doing metalworking. So anyway, it's got these. These are really cool. I put a heavy-duty spring under here, so you just loosen it off and it holds the whole thing up, so you don't have to hold it up to put pieces in. I got it in the vise. It's a little Mickey Mouse right now. Okay, that's one side, and the other side over here. That's what happens when you got a shop that's too small. Too small. Yes. Okay. So now, here's my piece, and I got two of these bars. Okay, they go in here, and when I do a lot of work, they actually have a set screw to hold them in, but I'm only bending a couple of pieces today, so I'm not leaving them permanent because they get in my way. Now, where did I put the other one? Ooh, lost. There it is on the table. Of course, now it's in my way. Okay, so we put this one over here. I bent pretty good stuff with this thing. It works pretty good. Of course, I overbuilt it. I think it weighs 200 pounds. It's all 5-inch channel. The wrong side. Okay, that goes in there. Okay, now, how am I going to bend it in two handles and hold the phone? Okay, let's see what happens. Here we go. So, actually, I only can do one handle work. Seems to work good, except for the vise is pivoting, so it's almost 90. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. I need a photographer. Now we loosen this off, and of course, I should tighten the vise. You know these 5-minute jobs that take 2 hours? That's what I'm doing today. I'm putting you down for a second. One-handed is a pain in the butt. I think you should be born with 4 arms and 4 hands. You could really get a lot of stuff done. Okay, so that one's loose. And this one will be loose in a second. Okay, now we take my piece out. You'll see where it goes. That's 90, good. It's gone. Of course, the bar's in the way, like I said. It's gonna fall down. Okay, so